Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing okay. If you're new, welcome. My name is Claire. I've got another next unboxing for you, and it is the Travel and Go Beauty Edit. This little box costs £22, but it has a value of £78. You'll find details down below in my description, as well as other discount codes and offers and any giveaways got currently running. You'll find it all down there, so you're welcome to take a look if you want to. So yeah, so let's get on to showing you then what's inside. Next, I have a load of beauty boxes out at the moment. I'll pop a link to the whole page so you're able to click on it and scroll to have a look at them all if you want to. But yeah, there's a little sneak peek for you. Right, first up, this intrigued me. I have never seen anything like this before. This is beach powder. Removes sand from the skin. That's just bonkers. I have never ever seen anything like this. If any of you have tried it, please let me know what you think. But yeah, remove sand from the skin. Leaving the beach doesn't have to be rough. This natural, talc-free, eco-friendly blend of plant and mineral powders removes sand from the body effortlessly, leaving skin sand-free and lightly vanilla scented. Ooh, you have to towel dry your sandy skin, then apply the powder liberally to areas where sand remains. Gently brush off with your hands. I gotta admit, it's not an essential item. If I saw this in a shop, I'd be like, ooh, okay, this is a bit exciting. But I honestly don't think I would buy it, because is it really that hard to get sand off your body? I know, like on feet and things, especially if your feet are wet, but generally, once you've dried yourself, the sand just falls off anyway, doesn't it? But yeah, it's really unusual. It's just a powder. Yeah. Oh, it does smell nice though. I am going to bring that next time I go to a beach to try it out and see if it works, and whether I do think it's a wow, where has this product been all my life? I doubt it, but you never know. So there's that. Next, this is lovely. We had this in the next advent calendar. Japanese cherry blossom from the Bath and Body Works. There's 75ml. It's fine fragrance mist. And it smells beautiful. Japanese cherry blossom. Yeah, really, really nice. Oh, it is such a gorgeous smell. Yeah, that is really lovely. And a nice size as well. Then we have got COOLA makeup setting spray with hyaluronic acid. And it contains SPF30. I love the sound of this. That is so cool. Makeup setting spray, hyaluronic acid. Yeah, featuring peony leaf, juniper berry and phoenix leaf stem cells. It's water resistant for up to 80 minutes. How tough are you? Woo! Okay, let's try it on my face. Oh, yeah. It smells like sun cream. Oh, it's nice. I really like that. I like the way it feels on my skin. A nice big whoosh of a spray, but not too heavy. It's not gonna like wreck my makeup. In fact, there's water resistant as well. Yeah, I'm gonna look into that, see what the price is like, because I always carry a spray with me in my handbag. So I apply like an SPF cream in the morning, then I put my makeup on, and then throughout the day then I top up with an SPF spray. But yeah, I like the idea of that. Next, we got a lip balm. I had this in another beauty box recently. I can't remember which one. I think it was ASOS May box. Ocean Mint Cocoa Balm by Sunbum. It's a lip balm and this smells amazing. I'm gonna give this to my daughter because I don't need two. No, I'm not gonna open it. It's just a lip balm. You know what they look like, but it has a gorgeous, gorgeous minty smell. Grow Gorgeous for your hair. This is a shine enhancing overnight mask to balance, and it's 30ml there. Slap it on, wash it off in the morning. Yeah, on waking, cleanse hair using a pH balanced shampoo. Yeah, I haven't used that before, so that's something new for me. I might have received it, but I don't think I've used it. ELEMIS Pro-Collagen Marine Cream with SPF30, and there's 15ml here. I do like this cream, and it is handy to like take away for a weekend away or a night away. It doesn't look full whatsoever. It looks like it's like just there. Just that much is there. The rest of it is all empty and full of air. Well, it's only 15ml, isn't it? So that's quite a tube really. It's a nice cream, I do like it. It's nice and lightweight, and I like the fact it's got SPF 30 in it as well. Next we got This Works Stress Check Kind Hands Soothing Hand Cream for dry, overwashed hands, and there's 10 mils there. Little mini hand cream. And then lastly, we've got a really teeny tiny sample of the Professional by Benefit. This is the light primer, and there's 3 mils. So if you've got large pores, or even like textured skin, fine lines and things like that, then the Professional is really lovely. Fills everything in, to an extent anyway. So there you go. So those are all the products in the Travel Beauty Edit. I'll just go through them all, giving you a bit of a recap. We've got Bath & Body Works, Japanese, Cherry Blossom Fragrance Spray. We've got a beach powder, sand removing powder. We've got a COOLA setting spray with SPF 30. Got a ELEMIS moisturiser, Pro-Collagen Marine Moisturiser with SPF 30. Got a Grow Gorgeous Balance hair mask. We got a Sun Bum lip balm. We got a This Works hand cream. And lastly, a Benefit Professional Light Primer. I do really like this box. I think there's some great products in there, and it makes a really great little travel box to take away with you. But as always, I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of it? Have you bought it for yourself, or are you watching thinking, nah, it's not for me? All your thoughts and opinions, I'd love to know. So please comment down below. But thanks for watching, and I'll speak to you all again soon. Take care. Bye.